Hey guys, oh my gosh. It's been so long since I sat down to film. It's almost been a month since I have actually sat down to film a video. And surprise! I'm in my new beauty room. Oh my gosh, this feels so surreal to me. This January will be 6 years of me being on YouTube, and I finally have my own space. I'm not sharing it with an office. I'm not sharing it with a child. I'm not sharing it with Mr. Man. This is my room. My room. Oh my goodness, 6 years in the making, guys. 6 years in the making. So obviously, you guys, if you haven't been following me, welcome to my channel because you're probably new. We are officially in our house. We are officially settled in for the most part. And I kind of felt awkward if I didn't film just like an intro video of what's going on, what to expect the rest of the month, and just jump into filming. So that's what this video is. It's just updating you guys, giving you a little bit of things that's going to happen for the rest of the month. So this is not anything beauty related technically, so I'm sorry, but you know, I just felt awkward just jumping right into it. So anyway, this is my room. Welcome to my room. Eventually I will want to do a tour. I'll show you guys everything, but I'm still not 100% the way I want it, first of all. Second of all, I still have boxes and things everywhere, you guys. It's going to take me a long time to unpack this room, let alone my house. I've had things in storage for almost a year that I haven't seen in a long time, so I still have a ton of unpacking to do. The other thing is my contractor is still here. He is still here. He's anticipated to be here till the end of the month, which means we will still have drilling and nailing and cutting. The wall behind me is my master bathroom, and you guys, it's not even done. The vanity is supposed to be showing up today, hopefully. We only have a toilet. Our shower is not fully done, so we still can't use that bathroom. So he's going to be coming in and out of this physical room to finish that master bathroom. There's so much other things, little knickknacks, garage doors, little things here and there that he still has to finish. So it's going to take him till the end of the month, which is going to be hard because there's certain times I still can't film because you're going to hear the drilling and the sawing and the nailing and the power guns and all that other stuff that he uses. So I kind of have to do it at night, and that's why you see these windows back here. Again, I don't have fully furnished stuff either. We went from a 1,300 square foot home to basically double that. And I don't have enough curtains or curtain rods or furniture to fill every room yet, and it's going to take a long time. So you might see those these are paper blinds from Walmart or Home Depot. They're $5. That's what we got for most of the house because this is facing the front of the house, and I just didn't want people to look inside this room. So you might see these blinds for a while until we can officially buy blinds and buy rods and nice curtains. So just bear with me while I try to decorate this house too, because that's another thing. You know, there's decor that I want to do. But that's as far as this goes. As far as filming goes, it'll probably be filming at night or crack of dawn until I can get the contractor out of my house for good. The other thing I did want to mention to you guys is I'm still going to keep my uploading time as usual. I am going to add more videos. I have a ton to catch up on, you guys, a ton. Since I haven't filmed in about a month, I have so many things that you guys have requested that I wanted to do, and it is December, the fun month. Things to wrap up, project pans to wrap up, project pans to start. So I have quite a few things that I do want to film for you guys. I also want to wrap up my low buy. I kind of unofficially announced it last year. It was a year. It's been November 30th. And I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how it went and then do it officially this year, because now that I've tested the waters, I know what to do. I know what to expect. That's the same kind of concept I did with project panning. So that's what I want to do with my low buy. The last thing I do want to mention to you guys is my top picks and skips. Due to the fact that my contractor is still here and I don't know how long he stays each day. I don't know when he shows up each day. He just gives me a ballpark. it's going to be hard to film my top picks and skips. So I'm going to resume that in January. So for the rest of the month of December, you're not going to see them. You will see other videos. Like I said, I want to film a lot more. So you're going to see more than probably 4 videos a week, as long as I am able to sit down here and do it for you guys. There's a ton that I got to catch up on. So that's what I basically wanted to tell you guys, and officially welcome you guys to my new background. My new background, oh my gosh. It feels so awkward not having that white background. I've had that white background for a long time. I think like a year and a half. I think I was pregnant with a 3rd child, so probably almost 2 years with that background. Wow. And I can officially do this. This is my stuff back here. I don't know. I can film facing this way. I can film facing this way. I can film facing that way. So I can always change this if I want to, which is fun because I can do whatever the heck I want. It's my room. It's my room. And I don't share a room with any kid. Every kid has their own respective bedroom. We have our bedroom, and this is so happened to be a 5th bedroom in this house. 5th room, I should say, because it can be a bedroom, but it's a 5th room that we got lucked out on with this home. So anyway, that's all I got to say for you guys today. Thank you for being patient. I do apologize I didn't have an upload yesterday because Sunday we went to New York City. That's our Christmas gift to each other. Mr. Man and I took the day to go to New York City, since technically this house is our Christmas gift. We're not purchasing gifts for each other. And we decided we needed a break. We needed a break and kind of just do us, and away from the kids, away from the house, away from the construction, the unpacking. So we took a day on Sunday to New York City, and it was so much fun. So that's why you didn't see a video yesterday, and that's why you're seeing it today. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, which will probably be tomorrow in the same outfit until I can catch up on videos. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.